Imagine this for a moment. What if I told you there's an actual formula, a step-by-step plan that could turn a simple thought into millions? Not theory, not hype. A real method used by self-made millionaires across America for over a century. Most people wish for success, but very few know how to demand it from life and win. Today, you're going to discover exactly how. Here, where Napoleon Hill goes from inspiration to strategy. He reveals the 6 practical steps that transform desire into financial reality. This isn't motivation you forget tomorrow. This is a written, actionable formula you can follow starting tonight. Step 1. Fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." That's vague. Decide on the precise number. $50,000, $1 million, $10 million. Clarity gives your subconscious a target. Step 2. Determine exactly what you intend to give in return for that money. Because let's be clear, there's no such thing as something for nothing. You might give your time, your service, your ideas, or your skill, but you must decide the price you're willing to pay. Step 3. Set a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. A goal without a deadline is just a fantasy. When you add time, you give urgency to your dream. Step 4. Create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you feel ready or not. Don't wait for the perfect conditions. They don't exist. Action is what triggers opportunity. Step 5. Write out a clear, concise statement of the amount of money you intend to acquire, the time limit for its acquisition, what you intend to give in return, and the plan through which you will accumulate it. Putting it in writing cements it in your mind. Step 6. Read your written statement aloud, twice daily. Once just before retiring at night, and once after arising in the morning. As you read, feel it. Believe yourself already in possession of the money. Visualization is the engine that turns thought into reality. Do you see the pattern here? This is no longer vague wishing. This is obsession, planned and executed with precision. Desire isn't a casual thought. Desire, when structured through these 6 steps, becomes a force that rewires your brain, commands your subconscious, and pushes you into action until the dream becomes fact. Fire suspenseful ending for part 2. Now here, where it gets even more fascinating. Hill warns that those who skip these steps, who only hope or wish, are doomed to failure. But those who adopt this method often find success flowing to them in ways that seem almost supernatural. In part 3, I'll share the story of how real men and women use this formula, and how you can ignite the same unstoppable fire in your own life. Get ready, because the final part of this chapter could flip a switch in your mind that never turns off.